My name is Jess Jensen. I'm the Vice President for Novonesis Middle East, India, Africa for the food and beverage biosolutions part of the company. And we're here today at Gulfood Manufacturing to launch the exciting partnership with Noma. Basically, Novonesis, the world leader in enzymes, in microbes, in fermentation overall, launching this partnership together with Noma, the best restaurant in the world for several years. And we are here to scale deliciousness, basically. So Novonesis learning from Noma how to really inspire consumers, manufacturers, the whole delicious part of the taste experience, and Noma learning also from Novonesis about the scale, our experience with the manufacturers, with consumers at large. And super exciting to be here at Gulfood in Dubai, in UAE, where growth is high, basically, in GCC, also a growth region, and tapping into the amazing possibility here at Gulfood with people coming from all over GCC, Turkey, Africa, India, and a chance to really showcase the power of Novonesis and Noma together. So super exciting to be here.